Budget 2026 is not about tax rates. It is about how India wants taxpayers to behave, and how the government promises to treat them in return. For the first time in decades, this budget moves decisively from a fear-based tax system to a trust-based, rule-driven tax system. And if you are a chartered accountant, finance student, professional, businessman or entrepreneur, this budget quietly redraws your role. From return filer to strategic compliance architect, let's decode this budget not section-wise but impact-wise. The new income tax era, a hard reset. The government's silent message. Less discretion, fewer notices, more automation, cleaner data, faster closure. This philosophy runs through income tax, GST, customs, MSMEs, and corporates. The big budget idea: control less, verify better. One new Income Tax Act, 2025, effective the 1st of April 2026. This is not an amendment, this is a replacement. What the government fixed: over-complex language, litigation-friendly drafting, interpretation-driven compliance. What you must realize: old case laws will gradually lose dominance. Forms will drive taxation. Errors will be caught systemically, not manually. This budget assumes that every taxpayer is digital, willingly or unwillingly. Ease of living relief that actually matters. MACT compensation: end of unnecessary taxation. Interest on compensation awarded by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal fully exempt. No TDS, no paperwork, no litigation. The state steps back, where it should never have entered. TCS rationalisation: silent middle class relief. Foreign travel, education and medical remittances were becoming cash flow punishments. Budget 2026 correction. Overseas tour TCS 2% flat, education and medical LRS 2%. This is not revenue loss, it's compliance realism. Manpower supply: one line that ends years of notices. Explicitly treated as contract. TDS at 1% or 2%. Professional versus contract arguments. Retrospective demands. Conflicting interpretations. This single clarification will save thousands of notices. Return filing time is finally respected. Staggered due dates. Category: new due date. ITR 1 and 2 the 31st of July. Non-audit business and trusts the 31st of August. Revised return the 31st of March. This is not taxpayer-friendly alone. This is workload-friendly. Foreign assets: clean up or pay later. Fast DS 2026 one-time disclosure window. This is the government saying. Two categories. Small undisclosed assets tax, plus additional tax immunity. Declared, but not reported assets. Small fee, full immunity. This is the final soft landing before full AI-driven foreign asset tracking. Penalty and prosecution. The most underrated reform. One order, one process, one closure. Assessment plus penalty equals single order. No interest on penalty during appeal. Pre-deposit reduced 10%. Litigation is no longer a punishment, it is now a process. Decriminalisation, a mindset shift. Removed from criminal space. Non-production of books. TDS in kind. Minor procedural defaults. Prosecution now. Proportionate. Quantified. Rare. Fear exits, compliance enters. MAT corporate strategy rewritten. MAT becomes final tax. Rate reduced to 14%. No future MAT credit creation. This forces companies to choose their regime consciously, not accidentally. Lazy tax planning ends here. IT and global business: India's tax confidence moment. IT, services: one category, one margin. Safe harbor: 15.5%. Threshold: 2,000 crore rupees. 5-year certainty. Fully automated approval. Transfer pricing disputes collapse structurally. Foreign investment signals. Cloud services tax holiday till 2047. MAT exemption for non-residents. Presumptive certainty. India is clearly saying, if you bring real business, we bring tax certainty. Indirect taxes: silent but strategic. Customs duty simplification. EV, critical minerals, nuclear, aviation support. SEZ relief for DTA sales. Personal import duty cut to 10%. Compliance moves from permission-based to trust-based. Budget 2026 does not reduce the importance of chartered accountants, it filters them. Tomorrow's successful CA will be system-savvy, litigation-aware, advisory-driven, tech-comfortable. Not just a return filer but a compliance strategist. Budget 2026 rewards honesty, planning, and preparedness, and penalizes ignorance, delay, and casual compliance. Like, share, subscribe.